Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the CR2025, in my case the Panasonic CR2025 watch battery from your Casio watch. This can be found in Casio G-Shock watches, regular Casio watches, and in my case the twin sept Casio watch. So what we want to do is to look on the back of the watch, and here we will be able to see the exact watch battery type. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide with how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, so make sure to check it out. But in case you only want to see this part right here, the first step is going to be to open the watch battery cage. For this, I'm going to need a metallic pair of tweezers. You are going to find it inside the basic watchmaker toolkit that I'm going to link in the description box below, along with the battery. And what we want to do is to insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers right here. Going to insert just one tip there and then push it upwards. So I'm going to pry it upwards, and that is going to open the watch battery cage. Now, in case the old watch battery is dead, in my case it is dead, you can maneuver it with a metallic pair of tweezers. So I'm going to grab it. Make sure to take your time. Do not apply too much pressure, because if you break the battery cage, your watch battery isn't going to stand there any longer, so it is going to fall. And here we can actually read on the back of the watch battery, so on the plus side, Panasonic CR2025. So this is the exact watch battery type that you want to order, and I'm going to also leave a link in the description box below. Now I'm going to take the new watch battery, and this time I'm going to maneuver it with a non-metallic pair of tweezers. So as you can see, we have either carbon or rubber tips, and that is going to not allow electricity to move, and this way I'm not going to short circuit my watch battery. I'm going to push it inside, as you can see, inside the exact place that it was initially, and now I can press down onto the watch battery cage in order to make sure that it closed. It has to make a very small tick, and you can also look from the side to see that it went all the way in. Now we are going to look at the front of the watch, and as you can see, it is on. Now also, after you have replaced the watch battery, we also need to do the AC reset. This is something that you can do on most, if not all, Casio and G-Shock watches. And what we want to do is to insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers inside that hole. Make sure to go all the way and then connect it with the plus of the watch battery for around 3 to 5 seconds. Then when you turn the watch around, it should have started from 12 o'clock. So that is a good indication that you made the AC reset correctly. Guys, in case you want to watch the full guide with how to open the watch, how to take out the gasket, how to put it back in, how to grease it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide on how to replace the watch battery on your Casio watch. I have various Casio watches or G-Shock watches tutorials, so I have a bunch of tutorials on how to replace the batteries for various models, but I'm also going to link the one with the CR2025, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.